Hello and welcome to my channel. It is me, Tina. You have to excuse my hands today. They are full of paint and no nails on there. So yeah, you have to excuse them. But I am going to show you a craft that I did. A very simple little embellishment that I made. And I've packaged them. And I just figured I would show you what I do to get them to this point. So the dies that I used are from Elena Cuddle. They are the nesting dies. I think there is, let me see here how many there is. There is, now where did I leave it? Oh dear. Yes, I misplaced them, of course. Oh, here they are. Oh boy, I thought I was prepared and then I'm not. So this is the die set. It is the, what is it? The third and the fourth smallest. So it is from, yeah, these two. And these come in a set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So there's 10 different hearts, and I got these on AliExpress from Elena Cuddle store. So this is one way that I packaged them, and you could put a topper on here yet. I was gonna do it, but then I forgot, of course. And here is another sample, and there's 4 in here also. So, you first of all cut your dies, and I've got my little box here that I'm gonna need. So you cut your dies, and depending on what kind of paper you use, there's that one. You might want to layer them. I layered them a couple of times. On the one side I have the pattern paper, and on this side I have like what's left over from a book page. So you need this size, which is this one, and then you also need this size. So yeah, I'm gonna turn this one over, and so that way they're matching. And then I have another one here. So this will be the two that I will put together. So I'll put the die to the side here. And then the first thing that you're going to do is turn over the little hearts. And what I use is this foam tape. It would be much handier to have the little foam dots pre-cut, but I don't have those, so then I just use these ones, and I can cut them down to size. And then you take the sticky part off, and this doesn't even want to stick to the paper, so take that off. When you're watching other people, it's so easy to do a craft, but when you're actually filming it, it's a lot more difficult, I have come to find out. So here's my heart here that I want to be seen from the outside, and then I will push that in the middle. So I've made it dimensional, and I've got my foam tape on here already. Just have to take the stickies off. There we go. There's that. Then I want to do some embellishing. Now you can use anything. You can use this kind of stuff. I mean, anything. Whatever your heart desires, you can put on there. You can put rickrack on, or you can put ribbons on. And where is my string that I had? So to create this exact one, I'm going to get some string, and this is just elastic cord that I believe I got from the dollar store, I think. So what I'm going to do is just get my glue gun here ready, and a lot of banging around I do. I'm a messy crafter, by the way, as you may already know or can see for yourselves. So what I'm going to do is just wrap this around my finger a few times and then give it a snip. And then you can place a little glue dot, hot glue down, and then just take your little thing here and push it down. And by the time I got to the glue, it wasn't even hot. So there's that. And let's see, what else do we want to put on? Do we want some of this rickrack? Yeah, I think so. We'll cut some of that. Whoop. Gonna fling it over there. So what I do is I just put it on here, like so. And glue string everywhere. Now I'll make the little string for that one. With that one, let's see, let's put some of this white trim on here. So we'll put some glue here, glue that on, and then cut it off. That way you know exactly where you want to cut. And I'll cut at a little angle here like that. And then we'll add a little bit of rickrack here. And I love this thin rickrack. Excuse my fingers. I have glue everywhere and paint everywhere, and yeah. So I'll just put a couple of dots here, like so. There we go. And I like to kind of do it like this, that way you know where to cut. There we go. And I will do some string here. I'm not sure if I'm in frame here, sorry. And cut that off. And a little dab of glue. And grab this so that it doesn't come apart like that. Or you can let it go, let a string go, and just cut it off. There we go. Yeah, and if it's too long here, you just give it a little snip and off it goes. Get that out of the way. And this. And then what I'm going to do is add a little word. And let's see. I'll grab this one here, forever. And I will grab this one here, adventure. So that one says adventure and forever. So just gonna put a little dab here, just so that it stays securely on. There we go. A little bit here, forever. And then if you like, you can add little diamonds And I always like to add little diamonds on here. And where did I leave my little tool? So we'll put one maybe right here. And one a little bigger over here. Okay. Now I'm going to get out my little mat here because I want to poke a hole on the bottom of these. So my hole is going to be right there, and push it through and try not to rip the paper. You can fix it just by adding some more glue, but best thing is not to rip it in the first place. Okay, there's that. Then we're gonna put these little what are these things called? Oh, for putting on beads. These are called, I don't know what. You tell me what they're called. I cannot for the life of me tell you what they're called. Oh my gosh, jump rings. There we go. It's called a jump ring, and I cannot do it with my fingers. So I will grab my plier wherever it is. Right here, I have arthritis in my left thumb, and it does not want to work. So just put that in the hole. And then what I am doing is I'm adding a little wooden embellishment to this. So, and it's a little butterfly, and it has a little hole right there. So then I just push it down there. And there's my little embellishment. Heart embellishment with another embellishment. Oops. Okay, now I'm going to, okay, so this one is done for now, and then I'm going to find an a wooden embellishment for that. So I have a butterfly there. I think I'm gonna do let me see, this flower, or maybe this one has a nice hole there. Yeah, I'll do that one. And so we're gonna take our little jump ring again and put it through the hole. I hope this will work. There we go. And then put it through here and then close it up. There you go. There is that. Beautiful. So there's two done embellishments. Now I'm gonna put it in a bag and seal it up. So there's two that I've done already. This one says Express and Story Time. So what I'm going to do to these ones is put a little foam tape on the back of them. Like this. And like I said, if I had the pop dots, it would be so much easier. There we go. So just take the back off of that. And then let me take this out of here. Oop. And now I've stuck them together. But anyway, there's the butterfly ones on this side. And the flower ones on this side. There we go. And I have gathered these either from Dollarama or Dollar Tree, or I've been gifted them from friends. So that's where those come from. And putting them in the bag, I'm just using a plastic bag that I saved from stickers. And I'm putting it, and even the bag is too big, that's okay. You'll see how I fix that. So like this, and then you can close it up, and then I'm just going to fold it in half this way, and then I'm going to get some something to make for a topper, and I will use some of my scrap paper here. This one has little yellow polka dots or little ducks. We'll see which side I use. I will cut a piece off like so. And then I can decide which ones I want to use. And I'm going to be using this side. And I'll get my decorative scissors and do a nice cut there, so it's in a different shape, like this. There we go. And I will get my stapler. You think you're ready, but then you're not. And I could be all out of frame, which I most likely am. Oh, I have glue all over me and it bugs me. Okay, so I am going to be using this side. Now, that's not the most cutest looking, but it's not too bad. So I'm going to give it... Oh, no staples. Yep. Lucky me. Lucky me. Lucky I have 2 staplers, or even 3 if I need to. So there I go. 1 staple there. And I will bend it back. One staple here and 1 there. Then you can cut off the excess like so. And what I like to do is I like to put whatever the embellishment is, I like to put one on the package, so that way the recipient can see exactly what it is. And I kind of like to do it off to the side, and then you can put another one here, or like just a regular sticker or something. I have a little thing that I colored here, a little bear. It was just laying here, so I'm like, okay, I can put that on. So there we go. I think that makes for a cute package. These ones I left without a topper, but I will be adding a topper to those. So that is my project. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And thank you very much. God bless. Bye-bye.